Google just released a free tool for video generation, which allows you to create videos, images, talking avatars, AI voiceovers, AI music, and captions, all for free.
A kind slave ran away from his cruel master and hid in the forest. There, he saw a lion roaring in pain because a big thorn was stuck in its paw. Even though he was scared, the slave helped the lion by pulling the thorn out. The lion went back into the woods free and happy. Later, the slave was caught and sent to be punished by being thrown into a lion's den. But the lion didn't harm him. It was the same lion he had helped.
Moral of the story: a good deed is never forgotten. Be kind, and kindness will come back to you.
That's what I've created for free. If you're starting on YouTube, you can get a pre-monetized YouTube account. Let's get started. Here are some stories for kids. Let's choose this one, The Lion and the Poor Slave. Then here are the prompts that we're going to use. Open ChatGPT. You can even ask ChatGPT to write a story for you, but I prefer a human-written story. Paste the story into ChatGPT, then use this prompt. Tell me the main characters in the story. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided us the 3 characters of the story. To access Google's tool, type docs.google.com/videos. Here's Google Vids. Start a new video, and you can see VO 3, AI avatar, Lyria 3 for music, and a lot of tools are integrated in it. First, let's generate these main characters. Go back and copy this second prompt. Simply paste it into ChatGPT, and it will give you an image prompt for each character. Copy the first image prompt. In Google Vids, go to Image. Paste the prompt. Then select Square 1:1 as the ratio. You can also select a specific style if you want. Once the image is generated, download it to your device. In the same way, generate the second image, which is the lion. Then the master's image. Also download it. Now let's generate videos. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the story script. Paste the story into ChatGPT and ask it to divide the story into scenes. Now it will give you scenes for the video. Now go back again and copy this master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt for each scene, also mentioning the names of the characters in the scene. Copy the prompt. In Google Vids, go to VO. Paste the prompt and click on the ingredient icon to upload the image of the character. Only attach the image of the character visible in the scene and hit generate. The video is generated.
I have to keep running. They're still following.
If you liked it, insert it into the scene. In the same way, copy the second scene and generate it also. Once the second video is generated, click on the plus icon to create the next scene. Then insert the second video onto the second scene. If you click between both scenes, you can add a transition. In the same way, generate all the scenes. Fast forward. Here I've generated all the scenes. Now let's add an avatar. Go back. I want the moral to be said by the talking avatar. Paste the text. Click on Change. Here you can create a custom avatar. Choose the gender, age, background, and outfit, then add more details. But let's go with the ready-made avatars. If you scroll down, here are avatars and Pixar styles. Let's choose this wise man. Once everything is done, hit Preview.
Moral of the story: a good deed is never forgotten.
This is only the voiceover. Click on Generate to start the lip sync. It's generated.
Moral of the story: a good deed is never forgotten. Be kind, and kindness will come back to you.
Almost the video is ready. Let's generate the voiceover. Go back and copy the story. Paste the story. You have a variety of voices in it.
The voice you select makes a difference. The sunlight is hitting the mountains in a truly
Let's take the scenic route and enjoy a...
Select a voice and hit Generate. The voiceover is generated and added to the timeline. Now you have to do some basic editing to adjust the scenes onto the voiceover. Once it's done, it will look like this. I've also deleted the extra scenes. Now click on Sound. From there, you can adjust the volume of every video in each scene. As you can see in the first scene, there are two audios. The first volume is for the video, and the other is for the voiceover. But if you click on Apply to All Audio, it will automatically balance the sound for all the sounds in the video. If you click on Music, here you can generate music using AI. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a prompt to generate background music for this story video." Only background music, no lyrics. ChatGPT has given a prompt, but it's very long. Ask for a short and concise prompt. Short prompts work great for music generation. Paste the prompt and switch to full song. Click on Insert to add it to your video. Adjust its position and reduce its volume to 20%. Lastly, click on Captions. You'll find a lot of different styles for the captions. Choose a caption style from there. There are also a lot more features. Like, if you click on Stock, here you'll find copyright-free videos, stock images, music, and even PNG stickers and sound effects. If you want to export it, click on File, then Download. You can also export it to Drive or directly to YouTube.